Okay, we're taking a look at job 12 here, where it deals with changing some margins and working with some alignment issues. So first thing we have to do, step one, says change the left and right margins to 2 inches. That's no problem for us. A couple shortcuts, you can just double click on this little gray part here if you'd like, or you can do it the way that we kind of showed you, which is through layout, and then you have your margins here for you. So one of these might work for us, but just to make sure, I'll go to custom margins. And yours might look a little different than mine, but it's the same kind of idea. So it says change the left and right to 2 inches or 5.08 centimeters. Well, ours is in centimeters, so we'll change it to 5.08. And we'll change the right one to 5.08. We're not going to touch the top and bottom for right now. So this should shrink our page quite a bit, and it really does. So what we're going to do next is we're going to create a title called Alignment Samples. And it says it needs to be bold centers, and it looks like some capitals as well. So we'll call it alignment. Ooh, it's good spelling. Alignment samples. And now we're going to center it, and we are going to bold this bad boy. Very nice. We're going to click enter twice. 1, 2. Type, center your name, and hit enter 3 times. My name is Mr. Valconi. Perfect. And now we're going to hit enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now, it says click the align left button. No problem, we can do that. Or I can hit Control L on my keyboard. And now it says type the following 4 short paragraphs. That sounds like fun. And now that's so much fun, I decided that I'm not going to type them. I'm just going to copy and paste them. You, however, do need to type them. So I'm going to paste them just because I've already written them out. So once you have done your writing out of these paragraphs, we can figure out exactly what we need to do next. So this says we want to align it left. This one we want to align it right. So I will highlight that, go to my align right, or Control R. Perfect. This one is centered, so if I'm in this paragraph, I actually don't even need to highlight it. You can highlight it if it makes you feel any better, but if you don't want to, you can just make sure your cursor is on it, hit the center button, or hit Control E. And then this one is justify. So justify is kind of cool. So you'll notice that everything is going to be flush with this margin here. So it's going to kind of space some words out. So when I do that, nice. So it's spaced some of these out so everything is in a line there. You'll notice that this last line here isn't spread all the way to the margin, because sometimes if you only have 2 words in this last line, there'd be a whole lot of spaces and it wouldn't look so good. Okay, perfect. We have done that. That is job 12, and we are good to go.